Hey guys, how to move money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So first of all, ensure both your Apple Pay and Cash App accounts are linked to the same bank account, and then open the Wallet app on your iPhone. All right, and then basically go and select choose the add cash basically to select Apple Pay and choose that card or balance that you want to withdraw, and then tap on the amount and select transfer to bank and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. And if you want to deposit to Cash App, open the Cash App and select banking, the bank icon, tap add cash and choose the amount you transferred, and Cash App will access funds from your linked bank account, confirm the transaction. Want to give you just a heads up. Transferring from Apple Pay to your bank account may take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers may incur a fee. And secondly, make sure you verify both apps. You have access to the same bank account for seamless transfers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.